Yeah guys, we are making way through the hills now. You know. We have to make way through the hills. We are still in Millbank. Just going to start up. I'll show you where we are going. And we are trying to get back to St. Thomas over in Hayfield where the car is so we can get home. Alright, it's a 4-hour trek and right now at 8 o'clock in the night. So, you know, check out the night vlog. Yeah. I'll show you where we are going. Yeah peeps, so that's how the place there. God for them the front of me. That's a light right there. One of them turn on them phone. So really, this epic. This I've never done anything like this, guys. So yeah, man, and the beer with me. Back through the bush, peeps. This is something to write home about. I've never done a vlog like this before. Eh? Peeps, if you don't like that team here, how that team here put together and you want to see more work from that team here, you make we know in all our comment section here. Make we know so you want to see the team. Alright? So how we are going to do it now? We are going to make a name for the team because the three our name of the team now. We are going to say Godfrey and Elite at them best. We don't know no other way to do it because we can say Elite at them best, but Godfrey a finite. And Godfrey a film name, is it? So guys, we are going back through the bush. So tell me if you all want to see us work as a team for other videos. You know, I don't think we are straight out of St. Thomas for now, so we are trying to cover every nook and cranny at St. Thomas. I may have some place to bring them going, guys. I know some place where they have a ball for their foot. But Godfrey, I'm not sure what they don't attack. Because right now, no. Yeah, it's here we go on. Here we go on. Here we go on. At the first place at you when you walk far. And your foot are stressed out, me have can Godfrey, you know that to the whole of YouTube know me have can, you know. Alright. But yo, peeps, me I bring them some place so they walk till their foot numb. You see me? So y'all, I just one thing though, more know someone watch the video them. That's the only way you can support us and ensure that you get quality content from us like this. Alright? Yeah man. So if you're not ready to do the hike yet, or you're not able to do the hike, at least you know how the trail stay. I mean, know somebody I watched that video and them did tired. Well, not this video, the first one. I still forgot to start the night vlog this, you know. At them best. Jamaica at them best. Where are you with? You not go on camera at night? Talk to the camera, man. Yeah. That's the thing, in the night, I know so for them place down. Animal, wild animal in the night. Mario, look here. Yeah, sir. Yeah, anticipate the adventure, you know, and go through the bush. You never want to go through the bush? So we are going to reach back over, sir. No taxi no run up here, man. You have to go walk. A Port Antonio out there, sir, you know. You can't walk from Port Antonio to St. Thomas, man. You're not going to reach till next week. Okay, then the little foot there. People are what that front of it. Hold on, stop. Go on. Oh, me? Run? We're not going to see nothing through that bush after make we run, Godfrey. Them things that from the 80s.
We have a much shade, sir.
Much shade can't do nothing when it comes to them things there. But them are young people, yeah. You have a tune, you know. We say them don't know if you are born since we're there. Them are young people who are born, yo. The things them do, all down to the spirit, them not even walk a night again to that like one time. You see me? Me I tell you that, and nobody tell me. You see back in the days, all in the granny days, if you feel you can walk through them places in the night, them way. I got a market a push cart and up here fling stone off for you. Too much light nowadays, bro. I'd fuck up everything, I'd fuck up we too. Yeah guys, we still go through the bush. The Cunha Cunha Trail. Trying to get back to St. Thomas. We just started not too long ago, so you know we have about 3.5 hours left to walk and about 9 o'clock now. So we can't late and try to be early. We're already late. So we'll go through. Eh? 8? How much o'clock? 8 o'clock now? 8 o'clock like that. Alright. See the guys. Well, I'll see him here. Drop me. This one go on? You jump, me I drop. Jump man can't drop. Huh? Yeah? Jump man can't drop like that. So I couldn't do that. Just have to go see in the direction. No shortcut. There.
I look like a lizard.
Big crook lizard or frog here. True.
Big one.
But I don't know that.
No, big one.
Yeah. Frog? Is it frog or whatever?
Big one.
So now a flashlight. Can I know where I not go through the bush without light, you know?
Sacrifice. See, gotta. 4 minutes go through without the light before that minute for that.
No, your phone not go there, you know. If it's 90 something now.
Acha, my phone not there. Acha, my phone already.
Where? How much?
My phone still there.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm not afraid. Sitting going on my foot. And I'm punched.
Your foot?
I'm punched.
That's what definitely.
You know I'm going to Godfrey. Sitting go up on my foot now, I can't piece of grass or something, but you know. You see, through a St. Elizabeth, I live with so much water leg there. I'm sitting crap. How would that?
Few moments later.
Yeah, guys. We're there in a Cunha Cunha Pass. That one here? That one I deal with me away. Let me back your light there, bro. Yeah, man. That one I deal with me away. I never know. See, I saw that one hard. I don't know I take up on myself. Up on the ground, I sit down now, no peeps. So God for the down there, so. Jamaica, them best around there, so. Mario. Yeah, I see. Guys, right now, I'm tired. I want to come out of the hill. And I literally have to sit down on the ground because my foot them decide them stop work. And it's the second time I stop like this. Because all I want to start go back downhill, we just have go uphill, uphill, uphill. Alright, now I'm just sleep right, that's what I swear. See me? We have a next grade? I must say we have a next. We have a next grade. We pass the first one already? No. Must say we have a next grade. To go up on the hill. Guys, I don't know how this will go. But I keep on updated when I reach further. You see me? Yeah. I'll be off about 2 more minutes. them with the palm way again. Yeah, man.
People stay tuned, watch what go on.
That's so, them suck me ago. I find my match peeps. See there? Let's stop this number 2. Alexa change them shirt. Breeze cool. The atmosphere change again. See the high up on the mountain there now. A good look. Ancestors them there too. Yeah. God for your people. God for them.
Yeah, man, my people, thumbs up, you know. Whether you're out here without fear. Yeah, man, blessings and respect Jamaica and them best TV. Elite official, Elite Jamaica official channel. Yeah, you're one God prayers burn my people. So stay tuned and Cunha Cunha Pass, you know. Night now about 10 o'clock, my people.
And we still in a pass I go cross.
We still not adjust the half journey. So
See what
that is it.
we are go up the way now. Yeah, go back and look out point and down people. When we reach look out point, with the St. Thomas. Down the hill again. Yeah. Yeah, man, we are left out of Portland, you know. And if I can find a deer, I may try to show you some deer to my people. Yeah, man, some nice reindeer, but you don't get to see them. I can get for them and to me I wonder. Because them obstacle horse, no, man. Wow, people are dropping. Somebody should have catch that on camera right now. You need to God for them. And him brother.
No, man.
I take a look at this. I go up the hill.
Journey we are journey, you know. Yeah, man. Cunha Cunha Pass, night walk, you know.
Ah, this thing, this no man.
Look at this, man. The people stay tuned and watch what I'm going. Got to beat them up from the people. Yeah, feel better now, Elliot. Alright, the people check in. So we are going back on the path. We'll make it with people, but we're not reach the destination yet. See it, my people. We're out here, active. Yeah. Tricky road, my people. See that?
Next one.
What is it, my peeps? Yeah, my people, Cunha Cunha Pass at night, my peeps. You see that? Very tricky. See that? Down there. Very tricky, my people. I have to hold on and banking. And see if I slide. You know? Yeah, man. That is it. That's my people. See it, my peeps? Yeah, man, stay tuned. See it? My peeps. Look at that. Eh? Cunha Cunha Pass 11:13 at night. Going to St. Thomas, coming from Portland. Look at that, my people. Yeah? Look at that. Thumbs up the video for me, my people. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, my people, you have a reason to subscribe. Yeah, man, being honest. So, enough love and respect. Jaja live. Stand up, my brother, stand up. Slide, my brother, slide, my people. Jaja live. You look over your foot. Oh.
Oh, Jaja. Oh. Oh. So I'm glad I'm right here. Some people I go this side away. If I nothing. Jaja. 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 And my people, stay tuned. We gear keep you posted how far we reach on the journey. You know, so my brother get a injury. Chop on his foot and hurt up his foot again and it a pain him otherwise. So, Jaja know. I tell you, I tell you. Use some rum, sap it. Use some rum, sap it. Use some rum, sap it. Roll up the pan foot and use some rum, sap it. Roll up so far. Give him some rum, the Jamaican. I can use some rum, sap it. You see me? Yeah, my people. Calm down, brother. Yo, use some rum, sap, brother foot.
It's straight from you.
Yeah, make it and sap it through. Yeah, just give me the phone. Give me the phone now.
Give me the phone. Don't even like it. I have one nice special place to park.
Yeah.
You can't fix it. It's straight for us.
Sure. Blessed be the Almighty and I'll give us strength to go in. That's the far I live. Yeah. Jaja live. People journey in a serious journey. Yeah. I know.
How much uphill you have left?
Yeah, man, I just feel.
Man, I just grade like this when you reach a lookout point.
If we reach up a lookout point, we have left an hour to go. And then we start go back down. All the way down.
From this, I just straight down. Just don't take the gully.
Alright.
We gotta get up another. Yeah. Your mosquito repellent. Rubber and for your skin and you're good. Yeah? Yeah, man, all my weed me I look for too. Yeah, knowledge of power. People are still there, take a fight. But I later take a rest up. Mash up people, mash up. Far where I come from. We have a Portland. Yes, to backside people. Yeah, man. Elite Jamaican God for them to come up there, so. Finally. You feel good? Oh man, civilization. No, sir. They must have a fly, me fly people. Me not gone, man. Me not gone left for no people. Me there here. People choke me spiritual. Yeah, man, that's a travel through the dark. So they must say, if I fly, me I fly. Them even know me a sharp man apart. So we are wait on them guys. Yeah, can see pitch black out there. And they must stop again, me a chada. Get me, my people? Yeah, man. We just come from up there, so. And reach them if you reach. Good for that man. I mean, I see no knife. See the box there, my son, man. You look at the wrong place to the box. You look the wrong place for the box. You never put a box up there, so. Take it up, man, people. Let me see how take it up, man. You know, take it up, man. Can't live for that. Yeah, take out them rubbish, the people. Yeah, I got dispose of them. Church closed. So we reach back to the Cunha Cunha Pass, people. Yeah. We reach back. Yeah, that is it.